Hey, welcome back to this Next.js tutorial, and today in this tutorial you will learn how to use the useRouter hook in Next.js. The useRouter hook allows you to programmatically change the route inside the client components. You can move programmatically to different pages using the useRouter. So for example, let's say that you have a form, and when you submit the form, after submitting form, you want to move to the dashboard. Or maybe you have a registered form, and after submitting registration form, or when you are registered, you want to move to the login page. So in that case, there you can use the useRouter hook in your client component to move to a different pages. Now here you can see in the project directory, I have created two route segment, a login and the register. Let's visit this page one by one. So I'm going to specify the route segment login to visit the login page, and you can see here. Also specify the register to visit the register page. Now let me show you the code of this register form. So I have created a registered component. You can see here registered component form. Now here I have created input email to accept the email of the user, and then another input to accept the password of the user. Then when you click on this register button, it calls the handle submit, which prints your data or which prints your email and password on the browser console. So let's go here and specify email like a james@gmail.com and specify any password. Let's go to the browser console, and here just click on the register button, and now we can see we received the data. But here, after clicking on this register button, we want to move to the login page quickly. When you click on the button and when you submit a form and you move to the different route segment, different pages, that is called programmatic navigation. So let's see how to do that. Let's go back, and here we need to use the useRouter hook in Next.js. So let's create an object of useRouter hook, specify const router equal to, and now use the useRouter, and you need to import this useRouter from the next/navigation, not from the next/router. So import it, and after importing, just within this handle submit function, after printing the data on the console, we want to move to the different pages, or we want to programmatically navigate to the different pages. So here, call the router object and then call the push function, and within this function you need to specify the route segment or the page on which you want to move after clicking on the registered button. So here I want to move to the login page. Now that's it. Let's go in the browser, and here specify the mail james@gmail.com and specify the password and click on the registered button, and you can see you are on the login page. So as soon as you click on this registered button, it takes you to the login page immediately, and this process is called programmatic navigation, and that can be done using the useRouter hook in Next.js. So in future, whenever you have something like you want to move to the user to a different pages, different route segment, when a user clicks on button, when you just submit a form, always use the useRouter hook in your client component. So I hope that you understand how to use this useRouter hook to navigate between pages. At last, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you.